All Rocketspark plans also include blogging capabilities. A blog is a collection of text posts or articles with supporting images. They are dated stories on your website effectively and a bit of a news feed for your website. The blog is a collection of all the blog posts, and each post has its own page. The blog posts are searchable, taggable by topic, and can get indexed in Google searches for what the post is about. Blog posts can also be added to other pages as a teaser, such as using the blog slider feature on your home page. This catches the visitor's eye with the latest news, educational posts, or announcements. Blogs get the best results when you share your expertise via a range of educational blog posts. Blogging regularly is proven to help your website rank well in search engines, not just for the posts themselves, but also for your home page.